Okay, custom video, check it out. This car had no crank, no start. We checked the wires, we switched the plugs, we checked for fuel, we checked for spark. Everything was working right, we had low spark. Switched the cables, switched the plugs, and then we noticed that the plugs were all wet with gasoline. I switched the plugs, they hadn't been changed. The spark plugs hadn't been changed in a year. Now we got start. Also, bad ground terminal. Ground terminal should never move like this. And dry connection. It needs to be sanded, taken off. But overall, found 4 bad spark plugs. Noticed they were all wet with fuel. It was getting no spark. Changed all 4, changed the plugs. We got spark. Now it's on. No codes, no nothing. Figured it out by a simple just diagnostic. Just checked through, went through the system, ignition, fuel, air, spark ratio, everything checked out. Alright, this is Mad Mike Custom signing out. First video, yo.